Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? We back at it again with the Hellcat in the back. I do want to say happy Valentine's Day to y'all. No homo, you feel me? I know yesterday was Valentine's Day, but I'm picking up the camera today, which is the next day. You feel me? I was gonna make a little Valentine's Day POV for y'all because I know some of y'all boys don't got no hoes and y'all needed something to watch. You feel me? To stay entertained. But you feel me? Your boy was busy yesterday. I ain't gonna even lie. But today, we out in the big cat, no doubt. You feel me? We got the lights on red. You feel me? You can't see the lights in the hood of the grill, but you feel me? They on. You feel me? Y'all boys a little quick walk around real quick. I try to do these in all my videos because I know new viewers be tuning in, you feel me? So, you feel me? We just gonna do a walk around. I know I got these little tires on now. I do run 305s, you feel me? But we just got them on now just for play. You know, play. Y'all know we be getting active in the cat, you feel me? We be using all 707 horsepower. I'm just playing. I don't really be going too crazy on my YouTube videos.
What the fuck?
Because I don't really be speeding too much, but y'all know what it is. You feel me? Y'all see that badge? Y'all know what that means. This ain't no fake. This the real thing. You feel me? Big 200 on the dash. No belt. Also gonna let y'all boys see what this up under the hood look like. You feel me? You feel me? Supercharged, this stock. We just got a JLT code there intake. You feel me? That's the only thing I did up under the hood. And y'all might be wondering what happened to the little covers. So, story time. When I took my hood off for the first time, your boy was on the freeway. I was probably going like 150, you feel me? I was pushing Big Mama, no doubt. And I was driving, you feel me? Next thing I know, I see something fly up in the air. So, when I pulled over, my little plastic pieces that go over here had flew off, but we will be getting some more. They ain't no big deal at all, you feel me? But since we done showed y'all the car, you feel me, we finna go ahead and get in the whip and go ahead and get to work. All right, y'all, we finna go ahead and crank Big Mama up. Feel me? We got the LED steering wheel on, you feel me? We finna go ahead and pop that bit in custom mode, turn traction control off, you feel me? We ain't waste no time. We're finna go ahead and get into the video. And no, this is not finna be no slide in every corner, y'all. You feel me? Because my tires is borderline bald. So you feel me? Your boy gotta make do with what he gotta do. Now I ain't gonna lie. Next week, let me turn the music off. Next week, y'all, we got some fire content. Y'all see how it's spinning, bro. It just spent the whole gear. But we got some fire content coming up next video, y'all. I promise you. Hopefully, as long as things don't get canceled, you feel me? It's gonna be a lot of cars, you feel me? A lot of people, you feel me? A lot of chaos through the city. But yeah, y'all, like I said, we gonna have some fire content. That's all I gotta say. I wish it was sunny outside. You feel me? It would have been a way better vibe. Woo! It do feel pretty good out here though, y'all. It just don't look good. It have been raining all week. But yeah, like I said, the video we got for next week gonna be lit. But that don't mean this video ain't gonna hit either. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Go ahead and like it up, you feel me? We right around the corner from 3,000 subs, y'all. Like, we only need like 19 more subscribers. So let's go ahead and hit that 3,000 mark. So we can go ahead and get ready for 5,000 subscribers where we're gonna be doing our first giveaway. I repeat, the first giveaway. I'm thinking about actually doing my giveaways like every 5,000 subscribers we do a giveaway. And you feel me? We increase the money every 5,000 subscribers. You feel me? So we got to make that happen. Do y'all hear that whine though? Y'all hear that whine? Big mama be crying. Oh, camera bouncing all up and down and stuff. You feel we scan niggas and stuff. They can't make people look back. Nigga have to see what that is coming down the street. That bitch don't sound normal. That bitch sound like the aliens landing on Earth. Let's see what we gonna do. What we gonna do? We gonna make this little right by this little library. Gonna bust this little right. And a lot of y'all be asking me, what do I use to record? Damn, y'all heard that pop? Lil' mama just shot that stick out. But yeah, like I was saying, a lot of people be asking me, how do I record my POV videos? Or what do I use? I literally use an iPhone 13 Pro Max and a Pale King head mount. You can find a head mount on Amazon. It's not expensive at all. And that's all I use, you feel me? That's all I use. And I use CapCut to edit my videos, and I use PixArt for my thumbnails, you feel me? What's up, Mexicano? You feel me? We always get love from the Mexican brothers. No doubt. My boy eating tacos and watching your boy cut up in these streets. You feel me? We in the hood with it. We in the hood with it, you feel me? Y'all see them niggas up there? They like, damn, that bitch look clean. You scaring them niggas. Nigga, we ain't finna crash nothing. I'm the best driver in that bit, y'all. Y'all know Son TV be stepping behind the wheel. We really be stepping behind the wheel. We gotta slow down for the evening. Feel me? They probably trying to get an insurance claim out your boy. Lord, these brakes always squeak, bro. That's the only thing I hate about this car. I bought brand new brakes just for them to start squeaking after day one. And no, I did not mess them up. I don't think. What I was talking about before I got distracted? Oh yeah, if y'all want to start up a YouTube channel, you feel me, POVs is very easy, y'all. Y'all do not need that much to, you feel me, ain't like you gotta invest a lot of money, bro. Go ahead and get y'all, everybody got a phone, bro. Just get you a phone, recording, wide angle mode, so you can film, you can get the whole little view, and get you a head mount. If you can't even afford the head mount, you feel me, which is only like 25 bucks, you can drive with one hand and record the phone with one hand, you feel me? Just don't be trying to slide, you feel me? If you trying to slide corners and you hit a pole, nigga, that's on you. You feel me? Y'all ain't blessed with these hands like I am. But go ahead and start up y'all YouTube channel, bro. All you gotta do is record and be consistent, you feel me? And upgrade your content as you progress. That's it. Feel me? Words from your boy Sons TV. Motivational words from your boy Sons TV. No keys. Hold up. My boy standing up on the bridge crying, ain't it? My boy said life getting hard. Woo! See, bro, we make the whole hood happy, boy. We make the whole hood happy around this bit, y'all. The whole hood love me. You ain't gotta like me because the whole hood love me. No GTA. I'm trying to figure out where that train coming from though, y'all. Cause I'm not trying to get caught by it. Alright, so we gonna go that way. We gonna beat the train. We gonna beat the train and we don't wait for trains. What up, twin? Bro, everybody showing me love today. You feel me? Everybody showing me love today. We just in a cat. Nigga, anybody could get a cat. Everybody showing me love though, y'all. Sean TV for the win. Woo-hoo! I'm not even going. I don't even be pushing this car for real, y'all. Like you ain't have to, you feel me? You can't really, this car really too fast for the road. You really have to, you feel me, get on the freeway to really let it do what it do. Now when I have my scat pack, you feel me, you can, it went like this. They still got some speed, but they ain't like that cat. But if any of y'all need some help, you feel me? Want to figure out, you feel me, how to make thumbnails or, you feel me? What, you feel me, whatever I use to do anything, make sure y'all ask me down in the comments. You feel me? I will respond, you feel me? I'll help out all my supporters. You feel me? That's the only way we all gonna go up. I can't be the only one going up. Everybody gotta go up. Don't be afraid to ask. I'm a regular human being just like y'all. I'm just trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to get, you feel me, popping on YouTube. We still got a lot of work to put in though. Woo! Y'all hear them tires biting that road? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna get me some good tires next time, probably. Well, after next, I'm about one more set of beater tires. Then I'm gonna get me some real tires, you feel me, to, you know, hook. Cause I ain't been hooking in a minute, y'all. Your boy been spinning for like 6 months straight. I'm ready to hook again. But it seems like the car popping more now. I don't know. I think Big Mama evolving. Big Mama been popping. Alright, I don't know what they doing, you feel me? But we ain't finna be waiting though. What up, twin? Don't let me go first because we in that big body cat. Them niggas stupid if they think they finna cut in front of me. Oh yeah, we gotta start cutting up, y'all. They're gonna end the video, y'all. You feel me? Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, y'all. You feel me? You know, 3,000 subscribers right around the corner. We finna actually, this video right here, go ahead and like this video up and subscribe. You feel me? We gonna hit it off this video, y'all. No doubt. But until next time, y'all. I'm out. Peace.